Hello, and welcome to the eProc Solutions training session. This video will demonstrate how to remove software installed on a remote computer within 1 minute without requiring remote control or interrupting the user. Not all software should be installed on computers. In some cases, it may be required to remove software installed on computers. Using eProc Real-Time View, a service desk technician can see all installed software on a remote computer and select software to be removed automatically. This video will demonstrate how to remove the 7-zip software. Here we have Mary, who is signed on to the computer. We can see that the 7-zip software is installed by selecting a document and opening the Explorer menu. To uninstall the software, we go to the eProc Management Console, type Mary's account name to locate her computer, and open the Real-Time View. Once data start to stream information, we open the Applications view where we can see all installed software. We select the 7-zip in the table, right-click to open the menu, and select Uninstall. In the window that will open, we press the Uninstall button and Yes to confirm the action. Refreshing the list, we can see that the 7-zip software is no longer installed on the computer. To confirm, we select a file, and in the Explorer menu, we can see that the 7-zip menu option no longer exists. This concludes our training session. If you want to learn more about our solutions, please go to our website at www.eprocsolutions.com. Thank you.